Have you ever wanted to make your own delicious mead? Well, you're in luck. Today I'm introducing my new book, The Practical Mead-Maker, available on Amazon. Learn from my 25 years of mead-making experience and take your meads to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned mead maker, this book breaks mead making down step by step. Learn my mead making process. Learn why ensuring yeast health is a top priority for successful fermentation. Keep your yeast happy and active throughout the mead making process. Understand the importance of yeast nutrients and additions in your mead must. Explore nutrients like GoFerm, Fermate-O, Fermate-K, DAP, DAP, and acid blend to enhance your mead's flavor and aroma. Follow my 4-stage nutrient addition method for optimal fermentation. Maintain the perfect pH and acidity level for balanced flavors and a smooth fermentation. Explore factors affecting honey from micronutrients to mineral levels and potassium content. Understand how honey production and varieties influence your mead making. Have you ever encountered a hiccup in your meads? Don't worry. The Practical Mead-Maker book has got you covered with troubleshooting tips. Discover a variety of mead styles from hydromel to dry meads. Find your perfect strength and sweetness level with my guide. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of mead making? Head over to the description below and grab the copy of the Practical Mead-Maker ebook today. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mead making tips. And as a thank you, click the link also in the description or in the pinned comment for my free ebook. If you want to have more information about mead making and some tips, click one of these videos over here. Happy mead making.